Welcome to QBO Tips. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Typically, I share tips and tricks that you can use to be a little bit more productive, to fix something, or just generally make things a little bit easier. Basically, I share things that you can do. But today, I'm going to share something that you should not do. Specifically, I'm going to share what not to do when reconciling bank transactions. This can also be used for credit card transactions, loan transactions, or transactions for any other account that you reconcile. So, where do we start? Well, let's start with a quick overview of how to do a proper bank reconciliation, or bank recs. All bank recs should be done using the reconciliation module in QBO. It's under Accounting, and then up here we have the Reconcile tab. There's a couple of different ways to actually get here. This is just one of the many. Once you're on the reconciliation screen, you choose the account that you're reconciling, enter your ending balance off the bank statement and the ending date of the bank statement. This will bring you into the Reconcile screen, where you check off all of the transactions that have cleared the bank. Once the difference up here is 0, you're done. So now that we know generally what to do, where do people go wrong? Well, I'm not even going to show you. I will just tell you. I occasionally see clients go into the bank register, and please do not go into the bank register. It's often seen as the quick way to enter transactions, and this is mostly from people who went from desktop to QBO and they use the register in desktop. But the register is not the quick way. You should be using the bank feed and the quick create button in order to create your transactions. This way you avoid duplications and you get all of the necessary information in every transaction. The register also allows you to manually reconcile individual transactions, and this is outside of your reconciliation module. And this is what throws your bank rec off, and it causes a ton of headache, lots of wasted time, lots of wasted energy trying to track down what happened and fix it. The reconciliation module is in QuickBooks to keep you on track. Once a transaction is reconciled, it should not be changed or moved or deleted. It should be left alone. There's a reason why accountant users are the only ones who have the ability to undo a reconciliation in QBO. If you truly need to change a cleared transaction, you should contact your accountant, tell them what's going on, and they will work with you from there on how to fix it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.